Hello students, I am Sabuji from Bharatdasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we can study how to prepare single column cash book. This portion is related to chapter number 7, subsidiary books. This is related to 11th Commerce, chapter number 7, subsidiary books, second part 1, single column cash book. We can solve one problem. This is the question. Look at the question. Before that, what is a single column cash book? A single column cash book is a cash book with a single column, single amount column. That is cash column. It is a cash book with one amount column, that is cash column in the debit side and credit side. So the format of single column cash book is date, particulars, cash amount column, date, particulars, cash amount column. Once again, date, particulars, cash amount column, date, particulars, cash amount column. We can solve this problem. This is a first illustration. Enter the following transactions in a simple column cash book of Mohan. The details are 2017 January 1st, cash in hand 11,200. Cash in hand means opening balance. How we will record this opening balance in single column cash book? It will come to debit side of cash book because cash is an asset. All asset balance will come to debit side. Look at the answer. We will write here to balance B bar D, debit amount column 11,200 because it is the opening balance. So the first item in cash book is, single column cash book is opening balance. Where it will come? It will come to debit side because cash is an asset. So asset balance will come to debit side. How we will write to balance B bar D 11,200. Understood? Second one is January 5th received cash from Ramesh 300. Received cash from Ramesh 300. That means cash is coming into the business enterprise. According to real account, cash should be debited. Debit what comes in. So here cash received from Ramesh, we are getting, Mohan is getting. We are preparing the account of Mohan, Mohan's book. So Mohan is getting cash from Ramesh. How Mohan will record it? Mohan is getting cash. Cash is coming. Debit what comes in? Cash account debtor. Who is the giver? Ramesh. So journal entry, cash account debtor to Ramesh. In this journal, cash is debited, so it will come to debit side of cash book by writing to Ramesh 300. Once again the entry, cash account debtor to Ramesh. Cash is debited in journal. We are preparing cash book in journal, that this cash book is debited, so it will come to debit side as to Ramesh 300. Next one is January 7th paid rent. We paid rent means Mohan paid rent. Rent is an expense. What is the name of the expense? Rent. How we are paying the rent? In the form of cash. Cash is going out. So credit what goes out. Cash is going out. Cash will be credited, but name of the expense will be debited. That is rent will be debited. So what is journal? Rent account debtor to cash. Rent account debtor to cash. Rent account debtor to cash. So see what happened to cash in journal. It is credited. Rent account debtor to cash. It is credited. So in cash book it will come to credit side by writing by rent 30. Fourth item is January 8th sold goods for cash. Sold goods for cash means we sold goods. We are getting cash. Entry, cash is coming into the business. Debit what comes in? Cash account debtor to sales. Cash account debtor to sale. What happened to cash there? Debited. Cash account debtor to sale. Cash is debited in journal, so it will come to debit side by writing to sales. To sales 300. Next one is paid Mohan. Paid Mohan. Paid cash to Mohan. Another Mohan. Paid cash to Mohan. Entry. Mohan is the receiver. Debit the receiver. Credit what goes out. Mohan is the receiver. So we will debit Mohan because he is the receiver. Credit what goes out. Cash is going out because we are making payment to Mohan. So entry Mohan account debtor to cash. Mohan account debtor to cash. So cash is credited in the journal. So it will come to credit side of cash book by writing by Mohan. By Mohan. 700. Next one is purchased furniture for cash. Purchased furniture. Furniture is coming into the business. Name of the asset should be debited. Furniture account debtor. And at the same time cash is going out because we are purchasing furniture. So entry, journal entry, furniture account debtor to cash. What happened to cash in journal? Credited. Furniture account debtor to cash. Cash is credited. So it will come to credit side of cash book by furniture 200. Next one is paid salaries like rent. Paid salaries, it will come to credit side because it is an expense. Entry salaries account debtor to cash. In journal cash is credited, so it will come to credit side by writing by salaries. So everything we posted. Then after we have to balance this account. Find out the balance. How we can find out the balance? Check which side is greater. Debit side amount is greater or credit side amount is greater. Debit side 11,200, 300, 300. Total 11,800. Here it is 30, 700, 200, 100 only. Total how much it will come? 700 plus 200, 900. 900 plus 100, 1,000. 1,030 only. So we can make sure that debit side is greater. So if it is debit side is greater, take the total of debit side first and bring the same amount here. Then from this amount, this 1,030 should be deducted. You will get the balance figure as 10,770. This is the balance of cash book. There you can write by balance C bar D. Then if it is C bar D, that means carry down. According to accounting principle, this should be debited to the next side. Debited to the opposite side, that is debit side, by writing the next day. That is, if it is here, it is March 31st. Here we will write April 1st. Next day we have to brought down the balance. That is to balance B bar D 10,770. See where the opening balance again debit side. So I told you at the beginning, cash book is an asset, so opening balance will come to debit side. Opening balance means to balance B bar D. Understood, my students? Okay, my students, I hope that you are enjoyed. See this video again and again. Try to work out the problem again and again. You will get a good mark. I have the surety. So we will meet again in the next section. Thank you.